Welcome to this exclusive journey into the world of handwoven ponchos from India, brought to you by India Unbox. Here, we explore the intricate craftsmanship, vibrant traditions, and timeless elegance woven into every piece. Whether you're a fashion buyer, designer, or enthusiast, prepare to discover why India remains the heartland of textile excellence. India's textile story spans over 5,000 years, one of the oldest continuous weaving traditions in the world. Early civilizations, like those of the Indus Valley, pioneered advanced weaving methods that laid the foundation for today's vibrant craft. Over centuries, this legacy evolved regionally, reflecting the diversity of India's cultural landscape. Families have passed these techniques down for generations, weaving not just fabrics, but identity and tradition into each thread. Across India, each region adds its unique voice to the language of textile art. In the north, geometric patterns and wool blends provide warmth with striking designs. Southern ponchos use silk and temple motifs, reflecting a graceful aesthetic. Eastern regions draw inspiration from nature with floral and fauna patterns. The West bursts with color, mirror work, and bold, contemporary flair. Together, these regional styles create a diverse tapestry of fashion and culture. Each poncho is a testament to patience and precision. Artisans invest 20 to 40 hours of focused handwork into a single piece. Designs are executed with surgical accuracy, honoring time-honored methods. Only premium, natural materials are chosen, ensuring not just comfort and durability, but authenticity. Every garment comes with artisan verification, offering a direct connection between the creator and the wearer. Three primary techniques dominate Indian poncho weaving. The hand loom, fully manual, creates subtle irregularities that make each piece uniquely beautiful. The power loom blends tradition with efficiency, enabling broader accessibility. And jacquard weaving, a heritage method, brings complex designs to life with exceptional detail. Each method serves a purpose, balancing tradition, scalability, and artistic expression. Material choice is central to both performance and aesthetic. Pure silk delivers elegance and drape for premium markets. Natural wool ensures warmth and durability. Organic cotton offers breathable, everyday comfort. Many ponchos also use artisanal blends, uniting the best qualities of multiple fibers to meet diverse climate and fashion needs. India's poncho offerings aren't just traditional, they're adaptable. Clients can customize colors, from heritage palettes to modern hues. Sizes can be tailored for varied demographics, and traditional patterns can be reimagined with a contemporary twist. Decorative elements like tassels and embroidery add personalized flair, perfect for building unique brand identities. Sustainability is woven into every step. From eco-friendly natural fibers and plant-based dyes to waste-reducing practices like upcycling, these garments embody India's long-held harmony with nature. Beyond materials, ethical production supports artisan communities with fair wages and stable livelihoods, preserving cultural heritage for future generations. Hand-woven ponchos from India are not confined to one culture. Their versatility makes them adaptable to global fashion markets, from streetwear in Paris to boutique collections in New York. They layer effortlessly, making them a year-round staple that blends storytelling with modern style. Each poncho tells a story. In India, specific designs are worn during key life events and festivals, reflecting deep cultural symbolism. Regional patterns serve as identity markers, connecting wearers to place and ancestry. Every motif, from temple patterns to birds and vines, is part of a larger visual language that communicates history, belief, and myth. Behind every poncho is a community. Weaving sustains rural economies, particularly empowering women, who make up nearly 70% of the artisan workforce. These traditions are passed down through hands-on training and community mentoring. By sourcing from India, you directly support not just individuals, but cultural continuity and global dialogue. Partnering with Indian artisans also makes strong business sense. Enjoy margins averaging 30%, with access to over 100 design variations and a network of 500 plus skilled weavers. Fulfillment typically takes 10 to 14 days, ensuring both reliability and scalability. These handcrafted products offer a rare combination of art, story, and commercial viability. Every piece undergoes stringent quality control, from raw material testing and production oversight to final hand inspection. Each poncho is authenticated and certified, giving assurance of both origin and excellence. This process ensures that your brand delivers not just beauty, but lasting value to customers. Getting started is simple. First, share your needs in a consultation. We'll help you choose the right styles and materials. Next, review and adjust samples to suit your brand. Once you're ready, finalize your order with clear delivery timelines. Throughout production, you'll receive regular updates, making the experience as seamless as it is collaborative. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of India's timeless textile heritage. Hand-woven ponchos from India are more than garments, they're stories, skills, and communities woven together. For more information or to begin your sourcing journey, feel free to reach out. Address: Modi Nagar, Delhi NCR, Uttar Pradesh 20204. Email support@indianbox.com. Telephone receiver phone +91 87-553-00795. Glow with Meridians, visit www.indianbox.com. We look forward to connecting with you.